Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa. Welcome back to Japanese Learning Center. Learn Japanese in the easiest way, that too within less time with Neil Sensei. In this video, you will learn about Japanese writing system, hiragana letters with stroke order in very simplified manner. So stay tuned till the end of this video. There is only one script in English, that is A, B, C till Z. But the Japanese language has three scripts: hiragana, katakana and kanji. So what is hiragana? Hiragana, it has 46 characters and used to represent basic Japanese words primarily. Now what is katakana? Katakana is used to represent foreign words. Now the third and little bit difficult script is kanji. Kanjis are nothing but the pictorial representation of the words, which means kanji itself has meaning. Now let's understand these scripts important in Japanese writing system. Japanese sentences are a combination of hiragana, katakana and kanji. Let's understand with a simple example. Romaji means English pronunciation, which is also written on the top of Japanese words for your better understanding. The example is Watashi wa aisukurimu ga daisuki desu, which means I like ice cream very much. So in this sentence, that green word is watashi, which is written in hiragana. Then blue letter is ice cream, which is foreign word. Okay, so ice cream is foreign word, so which is written in katakana. And the third, that is red kanji, which is daisuki, which means liking very much. Ha and ga that are black, these are particles used in Japanese grammar that we can learn in upcoming videos. What I want to show you here is that Japanese sentence is combination of hiragana, katakana and kanji also. So we must learn hiragana also thoroughly, then katakana and kanji. Now the core part of this video is about hiragana script. So as I told you, hiragana basically contains 46 characters. So the very basic 5 vowels are there, which are written in red letters: a, e, u, a, o. And remaining consonants are derived from basic vowels, that is ka series, sa, ta, na, ha, ma. So the first pronunciation is a, e, u, a, o. Then ka series derived as ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa series is sa, shi. So here it's not si, it is shi. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Then fourth series is ta series, which can be pronounced as ta, chi. It's not ti, it is chi. Then next is tsu, not tu. In Japanese they don't pronounce ti or tu. It is chi or tsu. I have written it in yellow color so that you can differentiate from other letters. Okay, so the ta series is ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Then na series: na, ni, no, ne, no. Ha series is ha, he, fu. It's not hu, it is fu, F for fly. He, ho. Ha series is ha, he, fu, he, ho. Then comes ma series: ma, mi, mo, me, mo. Then in case of ya series, only 3 letters are there. Those are ya, yu, yo. Then ra series is there: ra, ri, ru, re, ro. In case of next va series, only 2 letters are there. Those are va and o. There is one separate consonant which is pronounced as small n or m in English, which can be written as like this. There is concept called ten and maru. As we see ka and ka series sa, ta, na. If we add double inverted comma as superscript, then that ka series gets converted into ga series. Then it becomes ga, gi, gu, ge, go. And sa series becomes za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Ta series gets converted into da series: da, ji, zu, de, do. Ha series into ba, bi, bu, be, bo. There is another thing which is called as maru. That means if we add small circle as a superscript in Ha series, then that Ha series gets converted into Pa series, which is as Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po. Then another important point in Japanese writing system is the usage of small tsu. If we add small tsu as a subscript, then we should repeat the next component again. For example, let's see motto. Motto means more. So this read small tsu. Because of this, we should repeat that T component again. Instead of motto, because of small tsu, we should pronounce it as motto. Okay then dear friends, please download the practice sheets and by following stroke order to do rigorous practice by hands to get used to hiragana letters. Along with this, please download one of the best app I use to remember hiragana letters. The link for both of these is given in description below. We have learned about what are Japanese script, ten, maru, and the usage of tsu. So now after this, we will proceed further for stroke orders and how to write hiragana letters with those stroke orders. So stay tuned till end.